future of health, democracy, human security, and the economy are now all at stake in complex battles over digital technology policy. The COVID-19 crisis and rising attention to racial injustice have only underscored the human stakes of the digital world. Yet, tech policy urgently needs more women leaders. This is a problem of inclusion, but also one that contributes to deficits of understanding and solutions in technology policy. American University is responding aggressively and successfully to this generational challenge with a Women's Technology Policy Leadership Program in Washington, D.C. Our goal is to produce, connect, and support leaders at the highest levels of government, nonprofits, and the private sector. This program leverages our unparalleled qualifications and track record of success in tech policy leadership. We already house a critical mass of the world's leading female scholars whose work has, over decades, built and shaped scholarship and policymaking around the internet, cybersecurity, and emerging technologies. And we are home to many women-led centers focused on the most pressing issues society faces. Through the Women's Tech Policy Leadership Program, we aim to influence technology policy with more women's voices and prioritize producing policy-engaged research, creating a pipeline of diverse women leaders in technology policy, and providing networking, mentorship, training, and empowerment for women.